you gonna know what? My wife's car.
How did I know?
Drag racing in a 2017 Mustang GT with 125,000 miles on it. First, I always like to change the oil. Pretty much bone stock. Sky headers, full exhaust, stainless works, Roush cold air intake. That's about it. First thing, gotta jack it up. In order to jack it up, since this car is so low, I need to drive it up on a little bit of little ramps. That's probably good. Mustangs have a little access panel here for the oil filter. Let it down a little bit so it can drain properly. It's nice and flat. 5,000 miles and it is black. It is nasty. Since I do have a catch can, I'll open this up and see how much is in there. After 5,000 miles, not much. And we'll just dispose of that. Give it a quick little cleaning and we'll stick it back on. Here's a tip if you're forgetful like me. I'm putting new fresh oil in this cap. Don't forget to put that back on. In order to do that, a buddy of mine told me to put it right here. When you slam the hood, it won't close. And you'll think, oh, what the heck? That should be an indicator to look right there. Hey, put your cap back on. Put these on. They're not much, kind of old. They should get the job done. Better than wearing my newer street tires, which I would like to save the tread on. Plus these would make it a lot stickier on the track, and the people at the track I think would like me better too, because I'm not going to be tearing up all the prep as street tires do. pretty much. Yeah.
Alright, we'll shove you back if you want to knock her in neutral.
All right.
Thanks for getting off track quick, though.
I've been here before, man.
Yeah. Really, man. You can kill the car.
You know what? My wife's car. That's right. I'm not leaking nothing, am I?
No, you can't.
Okay, so I just
Thanks
keep,
for getting off like that. We appreciate that.
yeah, like I said, it's not my first time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Well, you're lucky contestant number 3 today.
Yep.
One
Hey.
Camaro, 2 Mustangs.
All right.